Welcome. Let's do a quick analysis of the UPSC Mains Geography Optional 2024 paper. Now, a lot of students found that the paper this time was extremely difficult. Firstly, the paper was not at all difficult. It was exactly as per the geography syllabus. That's the first thing. The second thing is some of the students might wonder that these are the things which were not known or they were not familiar to them. However, note that it's possibly because you are not from the subject background. That could be one of the reasons. And secondly, the sources that you are referring are incomplete, or the places where you are taking the lectures have not covered the conceptual clarity. Thirdly, important thing to note, geography as a subject is an interdisciplinary subject. So it's really important to have a strong build across the subjects in order to attain expertise in answer writing for geography subject. Many of the topics this time, for example, vulture conservation, space policy, gender sensitive regional development, regional rapid transit development were some of the questions that are highly interrelated or interdisciplinary, we would say. Similarly, there were questions which might appear to you as difficult, but those were questions, similar kind of questions were asked in the previous papers. For example, pave theory, Yazoo stream, truncated spur were some of the very good questions which were asked. So if you look onto the details, as you can see here, this is one of the explanations that we had done from 2017 paper, and there were again questions related to pave theory, and we had explained the BKW and the Moss models here. Now again, I repeat again, if you are going through authentic sources, then only you can succeed for your optional preparation. Optional papers would not be extremely simple as GS papers, and if you are writing answers similar to GS papers, there is no reason you would be able to secure well with your optional. So it's really important you work hard, you go through the concepts like BKW, Moss models are rarely taught anywhere, right? So those must be the familiarity in order to write your answers. Again, when it comes to questions being raised on whether your material is updated or not, so here we have some of the sections that I have brought into for you, and these are the updates that have been brought in 2023-2024 based on some of the topics. And here we have covered demographic dividend, regional development as some of the topics which were actually part of the CS paper as well. So this was a topic that we had included based on the updates and were really important and were asked this time as well. So many of the questions, more than 80% of the questions we could say could be attempted if you have conceptual clarity on certain topics like glacial erosional landforms. If you have good conceptual clarity, you can answer the question on truncated spur extremely well, and this is a really scoring section of geomorphology that was asked this time. So lots of questions from geomorphology and climatology were asked this time. So basics and the core of geography need to be strong, and in order to answer your questions on the full go. So in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back, and here we have the complete list of topics that we have covered, which includes all the topics and the related reference material, so you can simply check those out for more detail and understanding. Thank you.